nice.
So we are at the Black Rock Resort in Ucluelet.
It is gorgeous.
Yeah.
Like, this place is gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Here.
Mwah.
Can we all just look at this bed for a moment? Oh my goodness. This looks like one of the most comfortable beds ever. What does it say, Han?
For your comfort, each king mattress is topped with a luxurious and hypoallergenic mattress topper.
That's
Should you
amazing.
prefer a firmer mattress,
Yeah.
our team would be delighted to remake your bed without the mattress topper.
Ben and I are firm believers of a soft mattress. Yeah.
Oh, it's better than I could have even imagined.
Second part of the hotel that I spend the most time in. The bathroom. As you can see, they've got this amazing rain shower. Look at this beautiful tub. The abode, or whatever you call it. Commode. What is it?
Bidet?
But no, what is a toilet? Is it a... Oh my gosh. They have in-floor heating. Oh. Oh, that is happening. On... How long have you been in there for?
The whole time.
Oh my gosh. So they ask that you use their black organic cotton face cloths to remove your makeup. Some Be Kind shower stuff. There is a hairdryer that I spotted, and this is huge for me. I absolutely love that they have one of these mirrors. Oh look, there's Ben. These little makeup mirrors, oh, make my day. You want to be comfortable with your significant other or whoever you're staying with, because even when that's closed, if you gotta go, they're gonna hear ya. It has a kitchenette, there's a sink, a cooktop, there's basically everything you could need. Like, one of my biggest pet peeves when you like go to one of these places is when they give you wine glasses but no opener.
Bottle opener.
Bottle opener, thank you. And they have one.
Now, they're giving you... Oh, there they are. Pots and pans.
Pots and pans.
So...
And there's also a dishwasher. Ben, you want to open that up?
So this is like, it's a panel-ready Miele dishwasher, 18-inch.
I love that they have some water in a Brita filter all ready for you to go. And then what's this?
This is a microwave and convection oven.
Wow.
So it is 2 in 1. So technically, you could go buy a little turkey and make Thanksgiving dinner here if you chose to.
It would have to be a pretty little turkey. A chicken. Let's say a chicken, maybe.
A big chicken.
Okay. You're a big chicken. This is the closet, just to show you what's in here. A little broom, a safe, which apparently you can't get to unless you take the fan out, but it's nice to have a fan, a luggage thing, recycling bin. Unfortunately, only 5 hangers, so
Good
that's...
thing Ben brought all his.
So those are all for Julia?
They are all for Julia.
There's some cubbies, which we've already filled with our junk, and a fireplace. This is actually, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, there's an eagle! There it is. Come back. There it is.
That's so cool.
It's gorgeous.
So this is the second eagle we've seen, and we've only been outside for less than 40 minutes since we've been here. So lots of nature.
Whoa, I'm still really close to your face.
Thanks, son. Nice. This is a cool little lookout, picnic. Yeah, that's kind of all right view. And we come to the float lounge. Gonna have a little dinner, some floats, and have a few drinks, and just relax. All right, we have decided we are going with the miso clam chowder. We are doing the steak sando with the wedge salad.
So we were at the Float Lounge at the Black Rock Resort in Ucluelet. And let me tell you, the food was fantastic.
Tried the miso clam chowder. Amazing.
So
Wedge salad. Amazing. Steak sandwich, very good.
Very good, but like overshadowed by the salad and the soup, which you would never expect to say at a restaurant. But it was a great ambiance.
Oh, and I had a vodka martini, just slightly dirty, and one of the best I've ever had. All right, we are here. We have made it to the room. Well, thanks for watching.